Okay. Hey guys, this is RGK88 here, and we're with an unboxing video. Sorry there. I got something from Walmart, and it's a Beyblade. I've been looking for this, and Pegasus is my favorite Bey of the whole series. I know you can call me a fanboy. Hita. I'm just kidding. So, here it is. Samurai Pegasus. This is my icon pick for information. Samurai Pegasus W105R2F. It's kind of sad they use the same parts as Galaxy, but I think it's pretty good though. Here are the stats. You can pause it. On this one, it looks translucent. The parts, focus. Come on. There. Okay, it's focused. So, right rubber flats. But on this one, it doesn't. It's not translucent at all. I think it would have been cooler. Okay, so I'm going to be back as I open this. So, I'm back and I finally opened it. So, we're going to open this now. I cut the tape off this and time to start this. Oh, okay. Here's Samurai Pegasus W105R2F. I've been waiting to get this Bey. Okay. Here's the code. Instructions. Okay. So I'm gonna take it off here. Cool Samurai. Pegasus. And then here's the face bolt. If it will zoom in for me. It's not autofocusing. Okay, finally, now it autofocuses. Okay. Well, we can forget about that. Here is the Ifrit. Oh no, not Ifrit, what the heck? Samurai. It looks like Ifrit for real. It's just a pain to get this W105. Light blue W105. And one of the coolest parts, the R2F. And it's new. Yay. Okay. A dark blue tool and a red buffer. And an orange ripcord. Orange, red, whatever. Okay. Yeah. Test it out later. Okay. So now we're gonna assemble this. So it looks really nice, but I think, comparison-wise, if I were to compare it to Takatomi, I think the Takatomi version looks a little bit better. But, it's the same thing, it's just that this one's not as colorful as the other one, as if you were to say. Well, it's my opinion. In my opinion, I don't think it's that colorful. But, yeah. So I put on the tape. And the only reason I put on tape is because it protects it. Okay. Here it is. Samurai Pegasus. Focus. Never focuses. There. Now it's focused. Okay, now we're gonna take this for a test spin. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. I don't have a stand for my camera, so I had to kind of like balance it. Okay, so we're gonna test this. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it flip. That looks really cool. Oh, it stopped for a bit. Well, that's really cool. Subscribe and like this video, make your favorite, and subscribe to me. And this is RCK signing out. We're gonna break it down, get out, get out.